What's up, everyone? My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online, and today I'm going to tell you how I made $157,293.51 as a video editor. Now, is that the exact amount? No, but it sounded pretty cool. And that's equivalent to what I make because I make over $12,000 a month every single month. I was ranked the #1 video editor on YT Jobs in 2025. I've done 500 million long form views for my clients, and I've retired my mom from video editing, all at the age of 21. I've also worked with massive creators like Skeppy, A Cookie God, Not Nico, Speedy Blocks, and many others, as you can see here on screen. And before we get started, I just want to say that if you want to follow my footsteps and become the next six-figure editor, to live your dream lifestyle, travel while working, retire your mom, increase your editing income, and do what you love as a passion full-time, like I have after all these years, then feel free to check out the first link in the description. It's a link to my school community called Six Figure Editor, where I'm teaching everyone how to do exactly what I did. Members are absolutely loving it and getting all kinds of wins, as you can see here on screen, and it's only $50. So if you get one client from what I teach you, you make what, a 50x return? So yeah, links in the description. And if you're even somewhat serious about taking editing seriously, I highly recommend it. We have daily access to me with full Q&As, a course from front to end on how to brand yourself, how to raise your prices with clients saying yes, how to post on social media to grow your personal brand, and much more tips that'll lead you to success and becoming the next six-figure editor. So if you're interested, links in the description. But let's talk about how exactly I make this much video editing, because I know a lot of people struggle to do that. So let's hop right into it. So let's talk about where the money comes from. And this money comes from my roster of clients. Now, the approach I take to editing is one of two approaches. The first approach, which I don't take, is the get super complex videos where you do 2 videos a month for $2,000 each approach. That's kind of what people like Malice like to talk about, charging ridiculously high rates. I myself, on the other hand, go a different route. I go the easy stackable route. So basically, my whole method is I get as many simple to edit videos as possible from as many clients as possible and just grind my ass off every day with said list of videos. You know, videos that are like just some cuts, music, sound effects, like, you know, super easy stuff that you can knock out in like 1 to 3 hours. And then just doing multiple videos a day allows you to stack easily to 5 figures plus each month, aka 6 figures a year. And obviously, that's the dream goal for all of us, to go full time doing what we love, take care of ourselves, take care of our families, and live our dream lifestyles. And this is exactly how I do it. Now, I used to start out charging $12 a video. So if you're like, whoa, how did you get up there so quick? It was not quick. I've been editing for 5 years, and everything that I learned on my journey is in my school community as well, which will probably take people from like taking 5 years to do what I did to probably like 1 to 2 years if they're super locked in. So that's how possible it is, just by knowing what to do. If you've never even thought of working how I told you and like stacking simple clients, I promise you it's such a game changer, and I have so much more to teach you, so keep listening. Next, you may be like, okay, working with a lot of clients who give you a lot of easy videos sounds great, but how do you actually get the clients? Now, there's 2 ways of doing it. There's obviously inbounds, which are people who message you first after you build your personal brand, which, like I talked about, I do have a masterclass on that. I'm very good at it. I have over 7,000 followers as a video editor across multiple platforms, so I definitely know what I'm talking about when it comes to personal branding. I mean, there's a reason you're watching this video. And also beyond that, there's also cold outreach. Now, people always like to often like almost like mysticize like, oh, what's the perfect outreach script? And let me tell you, it doesn't exist. The perfect outreach script is called showing up every day and messaging as many people as you can until you're exhausted, and then after that, messaging even more people. That's just the hard reality of it. It's completely a numbers game. There's no magic formula that's going to win over some people. Some people would work by a certain message. Other clients would work with a different message. So it doesn't really matter about perfecting your pitch. Just don't send some like AI slop, copy and paste 5-paragraph message. Just keep it short, genuine, and actually valuable. Do a bunch of messages every single day, and eventually over time, no matter what, you will close clients. And yeah, if you don't have a full roster of clients right now, outreach should absolutely be your #1 priority. And again, if you want to fast track that, link in the description. So a few things that most editors get wrong is they spend all their time doing the wrong activities. Now, while you could be doing outreach, they'll spend time making a new profile picture with AI that looks like shit. Or they'll spend time DMing me on Twitter telling me that they're the editor that I'm looking for, which I've gotten so many DM requests like this, guys, every day. What are you doing? I have not tweeted about looking for a video editor. I am a video editor, yet somehow every day I have some editors messaging me. I saw that you're looking for a video editor. Then they send me this terrible portfolio. Like, the people like that who are not even just like looking at the outreach they send, they're the type of people who are going to be stuck wondering why they get no clients, you know, wasting their time on the new profile picture, doing the completely wrong moves. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that obviously I want to give you a clear path forward. It's super possible to make 6 figures doing what you love, plus, and you know, working your own hours, traveling, taking care of friends, family, like I am myself, all at 21. I say that's a pretty good accomplishment, especially retiring my mom. That was such a special thing. She used to be a school teacher, and now she gets to work from home because I replace her income every month. just because I reached out to clients, got videos from them, and edit the videos every month. It's pretty great. So yeah, if you want to become the next six-figure editor, do what I do. You know, the school link's in the description. I promise you it's super worth it. If you're someone who takes action and wants to actually take this seriously, highly, highly recommend it. It could change your life. But yeah, I hope this kind of gives you a clearer vision on how to move forward as a video editor if you're feeling stuck, and how exactly I did it to make 6 figures a year. It's not overly complicated, as I talked about here. Yeah, that's literally everything I do, full transparency. So link in the description if you want to join the school, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.